In today's recipe, I'm going to be preparing huckleberry and fufu. And if you're from Cameroon, you know what I'm talking about. We call it Njama Njama. I'm going to be using spinach today because I don't have Njama Njama. So I just washed thoroughly my spinach and sliced it as you can see. And I'll just go in now with hot water and I'll leave it to sit for 5 minutes in order for it to be soft, and then I'll squeeze it out. Welcome, lovelies. Thank you all again for tuning in, and for my new subscribers, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you all for coming. Compliments of the season. What I'm showing you, lovelies, is the procedure in which I use to prepare huckleberry in my village. And the reason why I'm using hot water, or I'm pouring hot water in this spinach, is because it's not the real huckleberry I'm using. If I have to use huckleberry, I'll have to steam it for about 5 minutes just for it to get soft, and then I'll wash it. But since I'm using spinach, that is why I'm pouring warm water. Now this is my spinach. I left it for 5 minutes and I've squeezed it out. Now I'll just put it now in my bowl, as you see, scatter it, and then I'll go in with my salt and Maggi cube. Yeah, I'll just go in now with 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 teaspoon of Maggi cube, and then I'll mix it together. If you don't want to mix it with your hands, you can as well go in, you can use a spoon or a fork to mix it like this, but I am going to be using my hands because that is how we do it in the village. That is how we mix it in the village, using our hands, so that the salt and the Maggi can mix or marinate very well. Then I really before we fry love the greenness of this spinach, and this is exactly how our huckleberry look back home. Now I'll just go into the pot. Normally I'm supposed to use palm oil for this recipe, but at the moment I don't have palm oil in the house, so I'll be using vegetable oil. I will just put my onion into the pot and leave it to saute for 2 minutes. Then I'll pour my tomatoes, sliced or diced tomatoes, inside. Then leave it to fry until it shrinks like this, guys. And once it is ready, then I'll just go in now with my huckleberry. I so much love the way my tomato is frying so nicely. My tomato is ready. I'll just go in now with my huckleberry, and like this, guys, I'll mix it very well and I'll leave it now to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will show you guys how it looks. This recipe, I don't need meat, so if you are a meat lover, then sorry, I'm not going to be adding meat into this recipe. I will add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, just like that. I will leave it to cook. My huckleberry is ready. Oh yeah, where is FuFu Corn? FuFu Corn, where are you? We normally eat it with FuFu Corn, plantain, yams, or anything of your choice. Now I'm going to be downloading it with some grease. That is how we call it here, grease. Thank you all so much for watching, and I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.